The reported BB gun shooting tonight, this time leaving a 13-year-old boy injured. Good evening, I'm Kenny Choi.
And thanks for joining us. I'm Yenji Denise. The latest incident in a slew of BB gun shootings took place today in Waipahu. KITV4's Brenton Wah explains in our top story tonight.
The latest BB gun-related shooting may have happened right here in Waipahu. Earlier this evening, a teenage boy told emergency responders he thought he got shot by a BB gun. We're told police showed up shortly after the event right here outside Waipahu Intermediate School, so did an ambulance to take that kid, who's 13 years old, to the hospital. He was in stable condition. Two more possible BB gun shootings were reported earlier this morning. Around 2 o'clock, police pulled up to this Tesoro gas station on Kamehameha Highway in Pearl City. While no one was arrested, police did open a fourth-degree criminal property damage case. About 15 minutes later, over in Waipahu, Sally Labrador awoke to her car alarm going off. Then a security guard told her her back window had been shot out. Labrador says she spent more than $300 to have the glass replaced today. She says she's thankful it wasn't worse.
I'm worried about, what if I got shot or some other people get shot.
What do you hope happens?
I wish they get caught.
Police have opened a third-degree criminal property damage case for this incident. No arrests have been made in any of those cases. Police tell us they're aware of about a dozen incidents since September, with the majority of them happening in the Pearl City area. Just last month, a bystander was hit in the back. He suffered minor injuries. HPD says it's still looking into whether these incidents are related. Honolulu police are advising the public to be on the lookout for any suspicious persons or vehicles in the Waipahu or Pearl City area. They're also asking you, if you see anybody using a BB gun or a pellet gun to endanger people or damage any property, to report it to police. Reporting from Waipahu, I'm Brenton Wah for KITV4 News.